In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of setting up and playing Helldivers 2 using an Xbox controller. It's a straightforward procedure, so follow along closely. First and foremost, it's crucial to ensure that you're running the game through Steam. This step is vital because we'll be leveraging Steam input to seamlessly configure your Xbox controller for optimal gameplay within Helldivers 2. Once you've confirmed that you're launching the game via Steam, you'll notice that the controller support is fully integrated with all bindings and icons tailored for controller use. To begin the setup process, pause the game and navigate to the Steam launcher. Here, locate Helldivers 2, right-click on it, and access the Properties menu. Within the Properties, select the controller category. In the controller settings, ensure that Steam input is enabled. If it's currently set to default or disabled, switch it to enabled. Steam input will automatically recognize your Xbox controller and configure it accordingly, simplifying the setup process. On enabling Steam input, you'll find additional options, such as accessing the controller configurator. This tool allows you to browse through various controller layouts, including recommended configurations from developers, customizable templates, and community-created layout. Although creating your own layout is optional, it provides flexibility in adjusting button mappings, D-pad functionality, triggers, and joysticks to suit your preferences. So remember to save your changes and ensure that Steam input remains enabled. By consistently launching the game through Steam with your controller connected, you'll seamlessly transition into Helldivers 2, where all adjustments will be applied automatically. With these straightforward steps, you'll be ready to enjoy the entirety of Helldivers 2 using your Xbox controller. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching, and happy gaming!